All right, traders, how are you? Trader O here. I hope you had a great trading week. Why don't we talk about the USD? What I'm looking at on this market. To start with, if you notice on the bottom of my chart, this is the 1 hour chart on the DXY, the US dollar currency index. And well, price has been trading inside of a non-directional range for the entire month, actually. If you notice, we started trading this inside of this range on March 4th, and the upside has been capped by the 99.50 level. Now, right now I do have one US dollar loan that I took at the bottom of the range. Well, the main reason is because the bottom of the range is actually February highs. So this is a big level that is capping the downside on the USD. Also, I am looking for longs and longs only because if we look at the higher time frames, this is the daily chart on the DXY. We are since the bottom of May 2021 in a massive bullish structure. Now, the 9670 level, as you already know, is a massive level historically. I'm going to quickly show you again to remind you. Let's go to the 2 week chart, and as you can see, it has been pivotal since March 2015. And if we go further back in historic price action, you can see that it was also pivotal uh, in from June 1997 till August 20 or 2003. I'm sorry. So let's go back to the daily chart, and what I'm looking at here is the DXY a little bit overextended, testing the top of that bullish structure, and the downside being capped by those February highs. So if we go back again to the 4 hour chart, also what I'm looking at here is a possible breakout of let's call it no, this is the immediate structure, which is this kind of a bearish channel. We could call it actually a bullish flag. Again, my longs were at the bottom of that range right here. So I'm still holding those longs, and for next week, I'm looking at longs also, right? Depending on how well the market opens, but definitely looking at adding to my long should price break with this immediate key level, which is this week's um, weekly pivot and this previous lows, this previous base that was massively rejected with this candle. This, I think, was during the FOMC day, and I'm sorry. And to me, anything above the 97.80 level or the bottom of this range is still very much bullish. Now, should price break with the 97.80 level to the downside, I will not look for shorts. My whole bias here is very strongly bullish on the DXY, and should price break to the downside, I would wait for price to retest another key level, right, which I'm going to show you again on the 4 hour chart. Um, yeah, which would be this previous pivotal level, right? I'm always looking for um, key levels in historic price action where buyers have jumped in this market since my bias is long. So here's my plan for next week. Should price break with the 97.80 level, I will look for longs around the 97.20 level, right? And if not, if price continues its bullish move from Friday, I will look to add at the break of the structure and above the 98.80 level, right? So have a great trading week.